Think you know Rajasthani food? Dal bati and lal mas, right? Well, you've only scratched the surface. Today, I'm taking you on a culinary treasure hunt to uncover Rajasthan's forgotten recipes, flavors that will transport you straight to a royal feast. And guess what? I'll also show you where to taste these dishes and how to make one of them at home. Ready? Let's dig in. Rajasthan's royalty was all about extravagance, and it showed in their food. One such gem is Safed Maas, a dish that uses yogurt, cream, and cashews instead of fiery red chilies. The story goes, it was created for a king who couldn't handle spice but loved rich flavors. Imagine a silky, aromatic curry fit for royalty. You can try this dish at the iconic Umaid Bhawan Palace's restaurant in Jodhpur. But let's keep moving, there are more treasures ahead. Move over gourmet. Rajasthan's tribal communities have recipes that have been passed down for centuries. Ever heard of Bajre Ker Sogra? This dish, made from pearl millet and served with chutneys crafted from wild berries and herbs, is a true taste of the desert. It's rustic, healthy, and delicious. Want to try it? Head to a small village in the Shekhawati region or visit Dungarpur, where locals still prepare it traditionally. Fun fact: Bajra is gluten-free and packed with nutrients, no wonder it's making a comeback as a superfood. Street food in Rajasthan is where history meets flavor. You've probably tried Pyaaz Kachori, but do you know its origins? Legend has it, this crispy, flaky delight was first made in Jodhpur as a snack for travelers. It's stuffed with spiced onion and gram flour, deep-fried to golden perfection. And let's not forget Mirchi Vada, a fiery fritter that doubles as comfort food and a dare. Where to taste the best? Try Rawat Misthan Banda in Jaipur for Pyaaz Kachori and Jodhpur's street vendors for Mirchi Vada. Trust me, you'll thank me later. What's food without a great drink to go with it? Rajasthan's Kesar chai is not just tea, it's therapy in a cup, infused with saffron and cardamom. And if you're up for something adventurous, there's Bhang Thandai. Yep, a traditional drink that's part of Rajasthan's holy celebrations. If that's too much, a glass of chilled chach, buttermilk, will cool you off from the desert heat. Pro tip: you can find authentic Kesar chai at Jaipur's LMB, Lakshmi Misthan Banda. As for Bhang Thandai, well, look for government-authorized shops, just in case. Now, it's time to bring a piece of Rajasthan into your kitchen. I will give you the detailed recipe in the description, don't forget to check it out. Ker Sangri, a tangy, spicy dish made with desert beans, ker, and berries, sangri. It's a classic Marwari recipe that's vegan, unique, and loaded with flavor. Tangy, spicy, and so satisfying. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this recipe. So, which of these hidden gems are you dying to try? Comment below with your favorite dish or let me know if there's a secret Rajasthani recipe in your family. And if you're planning a trip, don't miss visiting these spots to taste the real deal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more flavorful adventures. Until next time, Swaj Rajasthan Ka.